Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a premiere auction coming up in about 3 months. That'll put it more towards April. It's going to have military toys, and some of these military toys are just off the charts interesting, so we want to share. Hey, good day to you from Ed over at Antique Toys. Stay tuned for more. Alright, we're going to take a look in detail at these toys. These are hand cast military figures. I know at least one of the artists is from California. We're going to dig deeper into the details. If you already know the maker, go ahead and write it, if you would, in our comment section below. But really beautiful work. I recognize this camouflage pattern potentially as being an artist that was in England and then came towards the Gulf Coast of Florida. Here we got a one-off Red Cross ambulance, which is quite cool. Got an interesting vehicle 722 right there. And each one of these brads was done by hand. Quite interesting. I'll get you some details on this guy. Check that stash out. Taking a look at this other ambulance, I think we probably should remove the machine gunner. And F-22 right there looks to be built off of a chassis of a Japanese toy. I know the makers like to use a basis in another toy. Alright, interesting machine gun. Guys kind of remind me of Brits with a map. And then here's an armored car to take a look at. Right, here's an interesting shelf. We got, almost looks like Fat Boy and Little Man, the first atomic bombs. We've got a German troop transport. And we have an interesting machine gunner to check out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little selection of estate toys coming your way on auction. Live auctioneers, Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions. Details will also be on AntiqueToys.com. And I wish you a great day. Cheers from Ed. And if you have any follow-up questions, we're at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Take care.